Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your website template in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And since Hostinger website builder doesn't allow templates, swiping or change after your website is published, so my turnaround around this is first creating a backup of your website. I'm not talking about the official backup here. I'm talking about duplicating your website like that. Website was duplicated successfully. Just refresh this page. Now that you have a backup of your website that you can return to, now you can delete your website from here. Yes, I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Click on delete. Done. Same thing, refresh this page. Now click on add website. Select Hostinger website builder. And now use the template you want to use from here. Click on use pre-made templates. Select your desired template. For this video, I will go with this one. I will use the original template. Click on go live. Now that your website is published with your new template, close this window. I will go back to H panel. Go to websites. Always your newest website is on the top. So this is the backup copy of my old website with the old template. And this is my new website with my desired template that is published. Now just connect your domain to this website. In my case, my domain name is benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on next. Domain added to your site. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Domain added to your site. Click on continue. And now this is your new website with your new template using your existing domain name. And this is how to change your website template in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.